Yesterday we discussed about at the last minute we discussed about standard input and output and error stream. Okay, so instead of generally in our Python program, what is the output statement? Which function we are using for printing or display a statement means usually we are using print statement. Okay, so to get the input from the user, if you want to get the data means or collect the information means definitely we should use what input function, isn't it? It may be in maybe a floating data type or else a string data type. So generally we are using input of, function in order to get the or read the data from the user. But here the standard input and output, it is another way to get the data from the user or to read some content to the through the monitor. Okay, it's not connected with the user. Of course we are getting the input from the keyboard and displaying the output to the that is output to the screen, that is monitor. Okay, error also we have to display in the monitor, that is the concept. Okay, for that this standard input output and error streams, these streams and all defined in the module sys module, sys module, that is system module. Okay, so we have to say it is sys module. For that we need to import the import sys. Okay, then as usual we are doing our operation. Instead of, for example, write means it is not writing anything in the file. It is not like that. You can see sys dot standard out dot write function we are using. It is not writing to the file, it is writing to the display. Okay, so this write function writing the content to the display. Have you understood? Have you understand now? Instead of generally instead of that we are using what print line 1 we are using, then line 1 what we read from the file that will read. Okay, instead of print statement we can use what function, write function, that is defined in the sys module. Sys dot standard out, that is std out, out means output. Okay, std out dot write, then the content. Okay, what it may be variable or directly we can write the value also too. Okay, that is standard in. If you want to get the input means, of course it is not given in your program, but I will tell that. Okay, sys dot std in, then we have to get the data. Okay, read, use the function, we can get the from data from the user in the keyboard. It is not related to the file, don't confuse with the file. Okay, if you want to know what are the standard input, what is the standard output. Okay, they will ask sometimes this question may be asked in a board exam, or else maximum they will ask in the viva voce during the practicals. Okay, what is the standard input in our computer, like this in Python they will ask what is the standard input device, which is a standard input device, keyboard. Okay, which is a standard output device that we have seen yesterday. Can you remember this? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So standard input is keyboard, standard output is monitor, standard error. That is means it is not error message. If any error is there means where the interpreter will where it will display. That is monitor. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, it's a small concept. It is not that much related to the Python or not related to the file handling. Okay, it is a basic definition which is defined in the Python. Okay, that is a standard input and output functions. I mean output and error streams. These are all streams, not called as function. Okay, let me go to the next one. Yeah, likewise, standard error also. We want to display any error where it will display. Of course, monitor only. Okay, it is related to the devices, the standard things and the standard module. There is this module, the standard streams and all connected with the devices, keyboard, mouse, these things. Okay, so that's what it is displaying the content. Okay, that's all. This is the standard input and output. Do you have any doubt in the standard input and errors things? It's merely just a streams in order to use alternate for the print statement, alternate for the input function. Okay, input function we are getting the data. Instead of we can write the data, we can get the data from read function, which is defined in the standard in. Okay, we are using print statement. Instead of we can use what, by using the standard out stream we can we will get the data from the keyboard. Okay, we should not say from user, it is from keyboard. Okay, of course, whenever we are using the input function also, through keyboard only we are giving the input. That is different case. Okay, this is the concept. Have you understand? Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
I'm showing this next one. It is very important concept. Listen carefully, all of the students. Okay, with statement. Okay, it is a unique statement in Python. Okay, with statement, instead of, so far we use the how to open your file. I will ask the question to somebody. Wait 1 minute. Bharat, can you say how to open your file? This question to Bharat. Can you say how to open your file? If you don't have the speaking mic means, better you text me. Okay, Naveen, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you say that how to open your file? Generally, you can say how to open your file. Oh my God, you people don't know how to open a file. Sam, can you answer how to open your file? This is what I didn't like in this.
Open is equal to
Open
is equal to
before what? File object we need to give, no?
My file is equal to open
No, okay. What is my file?
file object.
Very good. Yes. File object equal to open of
Open.
hmm,
The website www.x.
website.
Same thing.
File name. It is not website.
Oh, okay. File name.
Hmm. File name, comma, then
Right.
mode. Correct?
Yes,
No?
sir. More right or
Yes.
read.
Okay, good. So likewise, we can open the file. Okay. So let me check that. With that, we are opening the file. Then afterwards, we are writing. For example, if I open the file in write mode, by using we are getting the value that is stored in a variable. Afterwards, we are writing the variable that is a value into the file. How to write? How can we write? Can anyone answer? Ashwin, can you? Many people I have doubt whether they are listening or they are just or attend the meeting and went somewhere or doing some other things. I don't know because they ask the question they should answer no. Newell, can you? Hassan, you?
Sir,
Yeah, please tell that how to write a content into the file. I got the content, I got the input that is stored in a variable. Afterwards, how to store in your file, how to store into the file, or how to write into the file.
sir, file dot write.
File dot write. No. File object.
File name dot file object, sir.
No. Before itself, for example, Chandru said, my file is a file object, isn't it? Okay. Okay, then you tell that my file is a file object. Now, how will you write the content into the file?
So once again, sir.
For example, my file, myfile, that is a file object. Okay. Then in this case, how will you write the content to the file? You already got the file content in the store in a variable str. Okay, str is a variable that you got the file, the input. Okay, that input you want to write into the file. How will you write? Could you understand the question part?
Sir, file object dot write
Good.
in bracket whatever you want to write now, sir.
We can give the content or else the variable which have the content. Correct? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. So such type of questions, I mean, we will write into the file. Then afterwards, we should close the file, isn't it? We already seen one time in our in this lively we have seen. We didn't close the file means what will happen? The content, whatever we are doing in any operation, reading operation, writing operation, it won't be occur. Okay, because whenever we close the file, that time only it will started to work. Okay, for example, if you are writing some data, because you know that what is the close function will do. The close function, yesterday also I asked the same question. The close function implicitly call the flush function. Then the
Flush function.
Yes, that function will be force the data to store into the stored in the file. Okay, then it will close the file afterwards. Okay, that we yesterday we discussed. Okay, now what is the use of with statement? Let me come to this topic. With statement. Okay, the with statement is another way to open your file. So far we discussed how to open your file means file object. What are the syntax means? File object equal to open of file name comma mode. This is the syntax. Okay, I already said many times. You keep one paper or note. Better you keep one note with you. Okay, whenever I'm saying take this note means you just write it. Okay, you're taking the screenshot. If you are taking, I don't know whether if you take also that time if you want to refer from your mobile, it is very difficult. Mobile or desktop computer, it is difficult task because you are attending many classes. Okay, you are taking many screenshots. But if you have put one separate note for computer means if you just open the note, you can easily answer it. You can also recall it. Okay, it is not question means if I ask the question means you should answer it. Okay, likewise in the homework case also, I given a many warning. Okay, but there is no interest from your side. I'm so sorry to tell this because at last you will feel. That's what I'm coming to tell. Okay, nowadays, okay, it is okay. At the end of the time, where you will go, where you will run, you don't know the heat of the 12th standard exam, board exam. Literally, if you see others means if you are seeing your previous batch, I don't know how it is, but please listen. It is very difficult task to get in the pass or scoring good marks in 12th standard. You have to strive for it. Okay, please started to work from today onwards at least. Okay, homeworks and all, then and there you submit it. Sir, I don't know how to do, sir. Means don't keep quiet. You just call me, just ask me. Sir, I don't know, sir, how to write. Can you explain this question, sir? Means then we will discuss. I will tell again. You should initiate that one. Okay, from your end, you want that interest to learn the things. If you are not interested to learn anything, or I don't know what is the situation you are going, if it is so means if my reason if it is you are in not interested case means it is very tough that's what I'm saying. Please, if you are in this side means please change yourself. Okay, I'm saying for your betterment, not yelling you or scolding you. This is not my job. No, I'm telling the advice to you. Okay, let me come to the with statement. The with statement is another way to open your file. Okay, then what is it, sir? It is alternate way. Why? It is not alternate way. It is another way. But what is the thing? The with function, the with statement, automatic. Whenever we are using the with function, using the with statement, if you open your file means we no need to close the file. Okay, at last whenever we are using at last program and all we are seeing, we should, I only said that we must use the close function. Okay, by but here by using the with function, if you open your file with statement means we no need to close we no need to write the close function, because the with statement will give the guarantee the data will be stored properly. Okay, that's the concept. Let I will explain this one.
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, with function கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா க்ளோஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷன் கொடுக்க தேவையில்லைன்னு சொல்றீங்க சார். அப்போ ஃப்ளஷ் ஃபங்க்ஷன் எப்படி சார் ஒர்க் ஆகும்?
That's what I'm telling. I'm coming to tell. The with function provide the guarantee itself. It will manage it. For example, whenever we are using close function, we no need to use close function. Why? Because automatically it will call.
Automatically.
Yeah.
Yes,
Likewise, the with statement it will manage everything. Closing the file, storing the data into the file, everything it will manage. We got it now. That's what implicitly it will do the work. Okay, that's what I'm coming to say. Okay, let you see Python's if statement for file handling is very handy. That is very handy means very simple way we can write it. Okay, whenever you using two related operations. Okay, whenever we have to, for example, I open a file in two files. One for reading mode I open, another one file for in write mode I open. Let me see. We already seen one example. How will you copy a content from one file and store in another file? We have seen one copy program. Can you remember that? Do you remember that program? Copy a file from content from one file and storing in another file. Backup.
Yes, sir.
We discussed Chandru backup.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we are opening the two file. That time what will happen? What we need to write? We need to give two file object. Correct? No? A or A1, whatever it may be. Example, first file object dot close, second file object dot close. We should use the two things. So 4 statements are there. Okay.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Sir, you have some problem in speaking, sir.
Okay. Is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Let me.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Let me check again. I will tell the syntax with open. Okay. This is the syntax. Okay. With open.
Sir, maybe stuck out, sir.
Is it okay now?
Now okay, sir.
Okay. Comma mode as file handle. As file handle means we need to give the file object. Here file handle means it is a file object. Okay, let me show example. You understand? You have to see the screen.
Sir, now breaking, sir.
Breaking. Oh my God. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Is it okay?
Sir, ஃபாஸ்டா பேசும்போது உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிரேக் ஆகுது சார் ரொம்ப.
Okay, I will speak very slowly. Okay. With open and you can see again.
Sir, voice break ஆகுது சார்.
நீ எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி பில்ல காப்பாத்த பாரு, ஒரு கொட்டை விடுறத பாக்காத.
Rajsekhar. Here you can check it.
Sorry sir.
Okay. This is okay. With open, let me see the example for the with function. With open, the file name.
Sir, voice break ஆகுது sir.
You can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
What is MF?
Screen is good, sir. File object.
Very good. MF is a file object. Okay. With again, is it?
Sir, ரொம்ப பிரேக் ஆகுது sir.
Oh. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir. Now okay.
Okay. Actually, some problem with this things. Okay, let me see this. Now you can see with open file name .txt. That is file name we are giving and which mode we are opening. That is we are opening in a write mode. So MF is a file object. Okay. Generally we are using a equal to open of file name comma mode, isn't it? Correct? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Likewise here, what is the thing? With open file object file name dot comma that is mode and the object. Okay. Now with the whatever you give AD or whatever rules are identified. Yeah, is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa. I think yesterday also it was there. I will check. Okay. Let you see, with the file object, we are opening the file. Okay. So, welcome. That is, we are writing the content into the file. It is another way to open a file. Okay. Can you see this example with statement? Okay. With statement, how to open? With, what is the thing? With open, that is open function, with open of file name comma mode, then we are giving a file object. Let you see example. You can see this with space open is a function, then as usual file name comma mode, then as here it is very important, as, and then file object. Okay, whatever object we should give colon, that is very important. It is a block of statement. That's what I'm coming to tell as a second point. It is a block of statement. So we should give the colon. Afterwards, we should give the space indentation. Can you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me go to one example program. Then you can see it. Okay, I'm opening the file, new file. Okay, so can you say how to write the using the with statement? How to open a new file using with statement? Can you say? Anyone? Hello, can anyone say? Now only we discussed now.
Sir.
Sir, with
Okay, with
with
open function.
Open of
Yeah, open of file name we should give. Okay,
file
so
name,
this giving file
comma,
name itself.
mode.
Yeah. Yes, correct. With statement I just giving .txt comma mode. I'm just opening the in write mode. Then afterwards, the next.
As
Okay, as
file object.
So I'm just giving A is a file object. Then colon. That is very important. No. So then colon is very important. Then you should give the space. You can see the first four statement. So now input I'm just
sir,
giving.
sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Again. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, now is it audible now? Please see the screen, pa. That's what
Yes.
I'm done.
Okay.
So you just watch the screen. I'm typing the program only. If the voice is break, also let you see this. I'm just going to type this program only. Okay. So we
Okay,
are
sir.
getting the input. So I'm just giving enter. Okay, enter on its side.
S dot write off.
No, A is a file object. No, yeah, A dot write off.
Write off.
Then we are writing. Yes. So this is thing. Finally, we no need to close the function. That's what I'm coming to tell. Okay, I'm saving this file. You can see this. 1 minute. File. So it's asking to enter the sentence. So I entered it. Okay. Let me check it. You can see the data is returned successfully. Can you see this? Could you see that?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, output. So the data is successfully returned into the file. Okay, this is what I'm coming to tell. Let me go to the program. So I'm just showing the program. You can see I didn't open,
Sir,
I didn't close the
Sir, can you
function.
write multiple lines in it, sir?
Why not? I will just, by using the for loop, I'm getting the multiple line. For example, for, I'm just before that n, I'm getting n number of line. Okay. Int of input of how many lines we need to enter. Okay.
Sir, the same I done, sir. I have done, sir.
Uh,
In the homework program, in the last program for getting multiple lines, I have done this, sir. But
okay.
it is showing error like it is expected as 1, but you have given 3 or 4.
Okay. I will type it. Let me see it. Whether any error means I will rectify it.
Okay, sir.
Then I also want to know what you people are facing. Okay. For I in
Okay, sir.
range, so n I'm just giving. So how many users they given the input, that time it will then I'm just using the tab, that is to get the enter the sentence. Okay. So enter the sentence likewise the n number of time, then the same thing will be right into the file also too. Okay, that's all. We no need to close the file. Okay, because I already said by suppose we are opening the file with statement means the close function is optional. Okay, we no need to, it's not optional, we no need to close. Automatically the with function will give the guarantee the data to be stored successfully, as well as what, it will close the file automatically. I will save this program. I'm running this. Number of lines it is asking, I'm just giving 3 lines. Okay, so first line I'm just giving computer, second line I just use science, and next one is class 12. Okay, so the data, let me check the data whether it is returned successfully or not. Could you see this computer science? Because we didn't use the slash n, that's what. Could you understand? Now Selvaram, we got it.
Sir.
Okay, I will show
Yes,
that.
sir.
Of course, this output. We should give slash n. For example, we can give plus single quote slash n. If you add means, then what will happen? Automatically, the new line will be appended. Okay, I'm just running it. 2 lines I'm giving. Okay, that's all. Let me check into the file. Okay, you can see it is come in the stores in the next line. Okay, this is what you want to type. What the mistake you done, Selvaram?
Don't know, sir. I'll check to it, sir.
Okay. So students, you learned how to use the for loop also within the with statement. General format only. The first statement alone different. Okay. Rest of things and all same. But what is the thing? The spaces is you should keep in your mind. The colon you should not forget it. That is a very notable point. I'm saying what is the syntax by using the with statement means with open of file name comma mode. Okay. As file object. This is a syntax. For example, let you see with open of file name with stm is a file name, that is txt, that is file extension is very important. Okay, or else the data will be stored, we couldn't able to open the data, that's what. Okay, then file name, then write mode I'm just using, then as a. For example, let me write in the read mode. Can you say anyone how to write read the data from that? You people are not at all answering. I am very much wondering about that. Wondering the
Sir,
sense of in the opposite way. Yes, please. Can you say?
sir, can you use functions as read line or read lines?
A dot. What is the file object? A dot read line. Okay. Read line function we are using. Then we want to print that, isn't it? So I'm just print I. That's all. 1 minute. So now you can see that the loop will be executed till the number of lines. Okay. Wait. So it's printing in the line by line. Huh? Okay, read line will write because every time the I will be there. No, that's what. Okay. Now instead of we can use this thing also. We can store into a variable. Then finally we can store it. S1 or S equal to we can write it data. Or else just your read lines, if you are using, your entire data will be stored in the thing. Okay. Or else directly we can also use this. How to use directly means, for example, s equal to read lines. If you are using means, if you are printing the s means, it will be get all these things in a single line. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Read lines. Oh, file object I missed. Can you note down? Yeah, I didn't use. With the file object only we can use, no. So that's the reason. Okay, now we can get the data. Okay. So please go through it. This is very important. How to read data from the file, how to write the data into the file. This concept is very important. Okay. So next class we are discussing about very important things, project. Okay. We have to start our project now itself because it is a 6-month project. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell the basic introduction about the project. I will give just 2 or 3 days. Then you people want to group yourself. 3 students only per team, 3 students. Okay, let you decide what you are going to do. Okay, then each and everything I will explain tomorrow class. Do you understand this today's one? Do you have any doubt in this with function?
Yes. No
No,
doubt,
sir.
sir.
Okay, pa. Okay, I will just some mistakes is there. I will troubleshoot the computer. Okay, pa. See you to all. Bye.
Have a good day, sir. Bye.
Okay, have a good day. Yes, yes.